Birmingham is one of the largest and most populous British cities. In the last 10 years, the city has developed into a modern metropolis, which provides a great many opportunities. Icknield Port Loop presents a great opportunity for Birmingham to create a lively, high-density community which connects to the city centre. Icknield Port Loop is located west of Birmingham city centre, merely a short walking or cycling journey away. The site covers 8 hectares in the centre of Great Icknield and currently houses a variety of industrial, warehouses, storage units, as well as derelict land. The site is surrounded by canals and is located next to Edgbaston Reservoir and Ladywood Middleway. In Issues 1, a conceptual model was developed for a 64-hectare site at a 800 people per hectare density. This allowed for a 321-bed, 962-bed, 963-bed, and 324-bed residential units to be provided alongside commercial and service uses. The buildings range from 8 to 15 stories. The streets were designed to connect well to the city centre. Only 3 of the roads have separate provision for motor vehicles, which was done to encourage walking and cycling. All pavements on the site are a minimum 5 meters wide in order to provide more space for pedestrians. 2 50-meter wide pedestrianised streets are also created as public spaces used for shopping, seating, eating and playing. Attractive seating is provided on each of the streets and public spaces within intervals of no longer than 50 meters. The material proposed for this is timber, as it is more pleasant for Birmingham's climatic conditions. Different types of lighting are also provided. The main streets are served by larger lampposts, while other spaces are lit through smaller lampposts and other decorative methods. High quality of workmanship is intended for all footpaths and cycling routes to provide different textures. This will give walkways and public spaces a variety of styles and improve the physical and mental experience of walking. The large areas of green spaces can be used for a wide range of activities, improving physical health. A large number of trees are planted to encourage biodiversity and a healthy lifestyle. The trees also act as a safety barrier to prevent risks and accidents. The crossings were built in convenient locations. Pleasant landscapes and convenient crossing paths are created at junctions to provide a nicer experience when crossing a busy road and improve the pedestrian environment. The use of shared space is encouraged to slow down traffic. Mixed-use blocks, which combine commercial and leisure uses on ground floors and residential dwellings on the upper floors, are used. A continuous line of commercial uses that open directly to the public space provide active, people-oriented street frontages. This enhances public security and passive surveillance and improves the amenity of the public domain by encouraging pedestrian activity. The building typologies were created to ensure appropriate levels of sunlight on streets throughout the year. Public art is an essential element in creating place identity and contributes to street vitality and places where people want to live and visit. Public art is created in the site through the kinds of forms that can be replicated elsewhere, for example the fountain on the main junction, a statue on the green public space, as well as different designs of lighting and seating. Sensory design in the site aims to build closer, longer-lasting connections between people and place. Emphasis was put on experiences that involve all the senses, enhancing opportunities for people to enjoy the environment. Elements like the smellscape of coffee and food, visual diversity of flowers, soundscape of music and water, and the tactile experiences were all considered in the design. The site has been designed at a density of 800 people per hectare with an aim to encourage walking and cycling. The creation of pleasurable places for people will also go some way to improve public health and reduce pollution.